My name is Ephraim Jacob Inyamudo, a teacher at Comprehensive Secondary School, again back here in Ephraim State, Nigeria. Now, what you are watching is a lesson that is intended to train children in time to play the displaced come all over the country and all over Nigeria, sending it online and we train on person in different camps as far as we can on basic science. We know that if these children are trained and they are in the camp, it will be very, very detrimental to their future because they need to have basic education while still in the camp, and that's why this lesson is all about. This day, I want to look at basic science. Basic science. Now, and I'm going to look at matter. Matter. I define matter as anything that has mass or weight and can occupy space. That's matter. Anything that has mass or weight and can occupy space. Matter is anything that has mass or weight and can occupy space. As anything we can imagine, the air, the sun, the table, the tree, the human beings, they all group under matter because they have weight, they have mass, and can occupy space. They come under matter. Now, there are three classes of matter, three states of matter. The first state is what? The solid state. Second state is the liquid state. The third state is the gaseous state. We have three states of matter: the solid, the liquid, and the gaseous state. Now, the solid state is the one we can feel. This is the solid state. It has shape, it has volume, and the liquid is the one that has no shape, it has volume. But the gas doesn't have shape, it doesn't have volume, it tends to fill the whole size of the container. Now, these are three different states of matter. Now, we can move from solid state to liquid state by the application of heat. If we heat up the solid, it will melt and become liquid. That's it. And if we heat up the liquid more, it will become gaseous, it will become a gas. So which is to say, the state of matter could be changed by simply application of heat energy. We can change the state of matter from solid to liquid and to gaseous state. That is true. At the same time, we can also change the state of matter by withdrawal of a heat. Withdrawal of heat. For instance, if I withdraw heat from gaseous state, it will become liquid state. I withdraw heat from liquid state, it will become solid state. That's true. It is true. So, addition or withdrawal of heat from any of the state of matter can alter the state and can change it to another state. That's true. Again, look at this. If I have liquid state like water, put in the refrigerator, it will become solid state. What am I doing? I withdraw heat by use of refrigerator from the liquid, the water, and it becomes solid state. So if I withdraw heat from water or the liquid, it goes back to solid. And if I add heat to the solid, the ice block, it will change to liquid. So addition of heat to solid changes to liquid. Withdrawal of heat from liquid changes to solid. That's true. So today we look at matter has three states, and each state can move to the next state by either addition of heat or withdrawal of heat. The very important point again I want to make is that what we call matter has a building component, and the building component of matter is actually tiny objects, tiny particles known as atoms. Atoms come together and build themselves together to make up matter. So matter has some components that is, tiny structures called atom. They come together and they form what we call matter. That is true. And these atoms are very tiny, very small, so small that we can't see with our physical eyes. They are very small. You cannot even see it with electron microscope. They are very tiny. Yet they exist. These are the building block of matter. These atoms can be of the same kind. It can be a little different, of different kind, but they come together to form what we call matter. So this day we know that matter, is anything that has weight or mass and can occupy space in summary. And that matter has three states: the solid, the liquid, and the gaseous state. And again, that matter, in the state of matter, can be changed by addition of heat or removal of heat. For instance, if I add heat to the liquid, it will change to solid, or to liquid. Sorry, if I add heat to solid, it will change to liquid. I add heat more to liquid, it will change to gaseous state. And if I withdraw heat from the gaseous state, it will go back to liquid state. I will draw heat more from liquid, it will go back to solid state. So addition of heat or withdrawal heat can change the state of matter. And I think because matter is anything that has mass and capacity, everything virtually comes under matter. Everything. The table, the tree, humans, the house, the container, the block, the sun, they all come under matter. Because they have weight and they can occupy space. These are very, very true. I also in summary say that this matter is made of tiny particle called atoms. And the atoms come together and they build themselves together to form matter. And also say that these atoms are very tiny particles that we can't see with our physical eye. Even with electronic microscope, you can't see. They are very tiny, yet they exist. And they come together to form what we call matter. Now, if you look at the solid, the particles are well packed together. If you look at the liquid, the particles are not as packed as the solid. They have degree of freedom, they can move. If you look at gaseous state, the particle can move, they are free, they have liberty to move and fill the entire container. So there's degree of liberty for each of the particle of this state of matter. Solid, well packed, liquid particle can flow, they can move, they are not as packed as a solid, and then the gaseous state, the particles can just move to anywhere, they can exist anywhere, they can fill the whole container. And I also said that solid has what? It has volume, it has shape. This one has no shape, but it has volume. This one has neither volume or shape. I mean, gaseous state has neither volume or shape. This is what we call matter. Nature uses tiny structures to form matter for us. And matter is very, very important in our world, in science, in everything. Matter tends to be everywhere in our world and form part